If you want to show the relationship between several quantitative variables, your most common choices are going to be variations on scatter plots. And in this movie is the first of several where I show you different kinds of scatter plots for multiple variables. Right now, we're going to do a scatter plot for grouped data. So there's one categorical variable and two quantitative variables that we're going to be showing. To do this, I'm going to be using the same data set across the next three videos. It's the iris data. We've looked at this before. Edgar Anderson's iris data, which has the measurement of sepal length and width and petal length and width on 3 species of irises. It's a very well-known data set in the statistics world. I'm going to load that data set and we can take a look at the first 5 observations. Now, to do this, I'm going to be loading an external package called CAR. That's Companion to Applied Regression. If you don't have it installed already, you'll need to do install.packages and then CAR. But if you have it, then we just need to load it and make it active by doing require or library CAR. Now what we're going to do is make a scatter plot. The function for scatter plots in CAR is called either scatterplot or SP. I'm using SP because it's a lot shorter. And here's what we're specifying here. I want to chart the sepal width as a function, that's what the tilde means, as a function of sepal length. And then the vertical line, the pipe there, means broken down by species. That's my categorical variable. So we're going to have 3 different categories shown within this XY chart. It says the data is in the iris data set. That's why I don't have to do the iris $ for each of these. And we have an X label, which is the sepal width, a Y label, the sepal length. We're going to have a main title, that's iris data. We're going to have labels that are row names for iris, and that's going to help it know how to label the points. So I'm going to highlight all of that and the command return. Let me zoom in on this one. And so what you can see is that we have 3 different species. They are marked by different colors and shapes. We have the black circles, the red triangles, and the green crosses. And for each one of them, we have the scatter plot points. We also have a linear regression line, a straight line through each, and we have a smoother, which follows the data a little more closely. On the other hand, you can see that the smoother is not usually deviating terribly from the linear regression line. You can also see that we have the setosa in black is very different from the other 2 on this particular dimension. Anyhow, this is a way of showing an XY relationship for 3 different groups in the same chart using the scatterplot function in the CAR package. And now that we've done that, all I need to do is detach the CAR package, clean out our list, and we're done with that.